Hi friends, welcome to our channel V2 Bros 3.1. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and turn on bell notifications so that you never miss another video. Wash your hands, wear a mask and please maintain a social distancing. 2020 has definitely not been the best year we've ever had. It has tried our strengths, our courage and our patience. It's been a long year and it will be remembered in the history of mankind. We had to give it our everything, expecting nothing in return, just hoping for better times.
If we lived in the 1980s, then 2020 would be a dream. We would be dreaming of flying cars, robots, artificial intelligence, even mobile phones would be a dream.
But there were phones that time.
There were phones, but there were telephones.
I can't even think of living in those times.
The year 2020 has always raised the expectations of scholars, innovators, and people with scientific temperament. Even our former president, the Missile Man of India, had written a book which presents his expectations on the scope of India in 2020. The name of the book is Vision 2020. Everyone expected the world in general and India in particular will advance in the fields of technology, medical infrastructure, scientific temperament, and research. Surely there is a progress, but nobody expected the turnaround will be so dramatic. Expectation was so, but the reality is... Let's see how things unfolded in the year 2020, making it a memorable for other good reasons, but believe the mankind will prevail and continue to imagine the best, even though we are in trouble right now. Record-breaking temperatures and months of severe drought have fueled a series of massive bushfires across Australia. Bushfires are common throughout Australia. Bushfires are generally slower moving, but they have a high heat output. This means they pass in 2 to 5 minutes, but they can smolder for days. Fire in the crown of the tree canopy can move rapidly. Australia faced a devastating start to its fire season in late 2019, and things will swiftly go worse before rains helped contain many of the worst fires in February 2020. Coronavirus disease. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. The COVID-19 virus spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharges from the nose. When an infected person coughs or sneezes, gas leak from the LG Polymers plant in Visakhapatnam, which was operating without environmental clearance for over 2 decades, killed 12 people and sickened hundreds. Little past 3 a.m. on May 7th, Naveen woke up smelling something different in the air. He promptly woke up the elders in his family. "My uncle woke up in a daze," he said. "We all ran for our lives, hoping he would follow us, but that was the last we saw him." Naveen's uncle, C. Gangaraju, only in his mid-30s, was among the 12 people who died after inhaling the poisonous styrene monomer vapor that leaked from the LG Polymers plant in their village that night. The CAA NRC protest. It occurred after the Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) was enacted by the Government of India on 12th December 2019. The movement sparked a widespread national and overseas ongoing protests against the act and its associated proposals of the National Register of Citizens (NRC). The protests first began in Assam and spread swiftly in other states such as Delhi, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, and Tripura on 4th December 2019. Protests broke out rapidly across the country, although the concerns of the protesters vary.
Locust attack.
The locusts which entered India were about 10-12 days old and were flying huge distances in search of food. Since the Rabi crop harvesting is over and the Kharif sowing season is yet to begin, they were unable to find any vegetation. Large and aggressive swarms of these crop-devouring short-horned insects have invaded more than 24 districts covering more than 50,000 hectares of desert areas of western India. Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat are the worst affected states.
Blast in Beerut was caused by the sudden detonation of improperly stored ammonium. Shortly after 18 o'clock, 15 o'clock GMT, the roof of the warehouse caught alight and there was a large initial explosion followed by a series of smaller blasts. About 30 seconds later, there was a colossal explosion that sent a mushroom cloud into the air and a supersonic blast wave radiating throughout the city. What we are witnessing is a huge catastrophe, said the head of the Lebanese Red Cross, George Katani. There are victims and casualties everywhere.
For sports lovers around the world, 2020 has been a major turnoff. The Summer Olympics had to be held in Tokyo was one of the first major sporting events to be called off. After much speculation, it was announced that the 2020 Olympics would be postponed to 2021. Wimbledon, considered to be the most coveted of all. The Grand Slams in tennis was called off in April. The championship was scheduled to be held from June 29th to July 12th. It is the first time since the Second World War that the championship has been cancelled. The 2020 World Athletics Indoor Championships, which was supposed to be held from March 13 to March 15 in China, were postponed to March 2021. Explosions and fire have hit an ammunition depot in Orakian in possible act of sabotage, officials say, leading to the evacuation of thousands of people. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Stay home, stay safe.